Very good morning, students. Today I am continue with the string. So in a string, we'll be able to do all these functions. Lower, so any string can be converted into a small case, uppercase, sub str. In between, we can retrieve the any string. Trim to remove a space from a beginning and ending. From retrieve a value from left side, right side, length, we will be able to count number of character in a string. So let's continue. So these all function we are going to cover up. So first, string in a Python. In a string means it is a sequence of character. We have already discussed about it. In a Python, consecutive sequence character is known as a string. Means any string which we are assigning over there any line, that is a number of character in that string, that line be related to starting with the zeroth position. An individual character in a string is a access using a subscript index. The subscript, what is subscript? Should be always be in a integer, positive or negative. See, any string which you are assigning to the any variable, any value, that is a, it have a positive value or negative value. Positive means that is a right, left to right assign. Left from left starting with the zeroth position, then 1 followed by the all numbers till the last. And negative numbers right to left means last character will be -1, second last -2, the followed by the all number till the beginning. So these all will be covered here. And see here, declaring a string in a Python. Declaring string in a Python means my first equals save earth. What is my first? This is a variable. This is nothing. This is nothing a keyword. This is a any name you can give here. I have given here my first. So my first, this is a variable name. Here you can write in a Python prompt equals save earth. I have written a save earth. Now print my first save earth. So this will be in a next line. Print my first, when you will write this save earth will be in a next line. So you can retrieve a particular character from a string. So how to access? By using slice. Slice means, what is slice? From a whole part, from a whole of the object, from whole of the string, you can retrieve a particular part, that is called slice. So accessing a first character of the string. So this is the first slice. Print my first 0. So this S will be in the next line. This is the output. So print my first 0 means from here, what is the zeroth position? 0, 1, 2, 3. Space will be in a fifth position, fourth position, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. These are characters given beginning with the 0. S in a zeroth position. So this is a positive index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last will be 9 because I have counted with the space also. So this is a positive index. If we will talk about the negative index, what is negative index? From back to first. This is a H will be in a -1, T will be in a -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, E in a 7. Followed by the all number till the beginning. So positive and negative. Positive are from left to right and negative are right to left, last to first. So 0 means will retrieve a first character from a given string. Now to access the fourth character of the string, I have given here 3. Why 3? Because its index beginning with the 0th position. So print my first. What is my first? Which I have stored as a save earth. So third position I have to print. What is in the third position? See, 0, 1, 2, 3. E will be printed. So see here, this will be E will be printed. If you have written a capital, capital will be printed. If you have written a small, small will be printed. This is 3 means from the fourth position it will retrieve the value. Now to access the last character of the string, last, मुझे last character को retrieve करना है. What I'll do? Print my first. My first is my string variable name. अब मेरा last क्या होगा? What will be the my last? This is a -1, -2, -3 followed by the till the first. So what is the my first character? First last character, that is a H. -1 as a H position. So what it will print? It will print a H. So in a last position H will be there. Save earth. After TH that will be printed. So now this is the string. I have written a hello. In a hello, so see the sequence character. This is a positive index. H in a 0th position, E in a first position, L in a second, another L in a third position, O in a fourth position. So this is called positive index, left to right, beginning with the 0. And negative index will be from the beginning character will be the last. See here, from here, -1, -2, -3, -4, minus right to left. This is the first character, which is a hello, H. So you can display the value accordingly. Important point about the accessing an element in the string using a subscript. Subscript means 0 or when n, where n is the length of the string. What is n? It is a length of the string. Display the first element. It will display the first element. Subscript 1 or -be means minus n minus 1 display the second element. N minus 1 means if you write n minus 0, that will be the last one. If you will write -1, that will be the 0. So you have to remember the position of the string. And declaring a string. How to create declare a string in it? A literal constant value of a string can be assigned using a single quote. Literal means if you are applying any character in a single quotation, so that will be the string literal. If you are applying a double quotation, that will be the literal string literal. Character, if you are applying with the single quotation, that is a character literal. If you are applying with the double quotation, that will be the string literal. If you are writing with the triple quotation, that will be the, what will that? That will be the multi-line text. That will be the line, multi-line. So here print a friend indeed, a friend indeed. This line I have written here. This I have written a single quotation. So this value is a fix. I am printing here. Same output will be print. Now example 2. Print. This I have written. This is a single quotation. By mistake it is below. The book belongs to the Raghav sister. So the book belongs to the Raghav sister. Same output will be print. What is the use of slash? Nothing. Note example 2 include the single quote within the string. It should be the processed by the backslash. किससे प्रोसेस करेगा? बैकस्लैश आई हैव पुट इट. Now enclosing a single enclose the string in a double quote. अगर हम string को double quotation में enclose करते हैं, what happens? See, this is the print directly. I am giving a room without book like a body without a soul. I have written a one quote here. So same will be display. And enclosing string in a triple quotation. This you have to write in a double quotation by single quotation is written. How to write in a triple quotation? Life equal. So directly you can write triple quotation with the print statement. So it is written in the life is a variable equal triple quotation. So this text is written over there, and after this you have to close with the triple quotation. So this is called multi-line string, or when you apply with the directly with the single quotation with the program, that will be command line. So multi-line text can be written in a enclosing in a triple quotation. Remember it. So print life, you have to write in a bracket. So print life, all the text will be visible here. Now we'll discuss about the what is the use of escape sequence in a Python programming. In the above example, backslash is used to escape the sequence. And a escape sequence is a nothing. What is it? It is a nothing but the special character that has to be specific function. कोई भी इसके साथ जो special character आप use करेंगे, that works as a special function. As shown below, above, slash has to be escaped in a double quote. So I have written here slash, and this means this is a new line. Print in a double quotation, I have written hot slash and cold. So what it will do? Slash and means this will be in a first line and cold will be in a next line. Slash and what force it? After slash and whatever you are writing, the text will be forces in the next line. So next is a tab space. Print hot slash cold. Hot क्या कर रहा है? Hot slash t I have written slash t for tab. So cold, hot and cold will be display. Hot after space. This is the same line, by mistake it is in the next line. T for tab. You have seen the tab in your keyboard. Once you pressing that, make a space between the word. Now next, string are immutable. Immutable means you can't change any string which you have written in the variable, which you have fixed as a string literal, character literal and multiline. Whatever you are writing, it is a immutable. Immutable means unchangeable. Anything which you are assigning to the particular variable, that is a unchangeable. So string are immutable means that the constant of the string cannot be changed. जो भी आप fix करते हैं particular variable, thus I am talking about the I have written a name equal Niharika. What is name? Name is a variable. Niharika is a name which I have fixed to the name. So that is a fix, that is a constant. So that will not change during the execution of program. When you declare an empty variable, that will take a value from you. Otherwise, what happens when you assign a value over there, that will be the fixed value. So here example I have str. What is str? This is a very